Hi, my name's Sean Nelson, Project Manager for Evco Mechanical Corporation. I'm here today to talk to you about dual temperature riser replacements and how Evco Mechanical can make that process in your building as easy as possible. As you know, all of your apartments have heating and air conditioning, and the dual temperature risers are the pipes that run behind the walls that actually transfer the heating and the air conditioning to all the apartments in the building. After 40 or 50 years, these pipes typically need to be replaced. These pipes actually become paper thin, and as you've experienced, they can cause a lot of leaks and riser breaks throughout the building.
The community was faced with a tremendous amount of advanced corrosion in their piping. There was really no way to get ahead of it repair-wise. The only way to really deal with it in a comprehensive manner was total pipe replacement.
When they actually pull out the piping, it looks like an old tree branch. That's how old and rusted the pipes are.
We understand how important it is to work as clean as possible in everybody's homes, and that's why we've taken so many steps to ensure that all of the workers are laying down plastic on a daily basis, floor protection, wearing booties, and working in contained areas to minimize the dust, debris, and keep all the apartments as clean as possible. We've even created a separate video that takes a step-by-step process that you can circulate to all your residents that will take them through what they can expect in their homes on a daily basis. One of the most critical parts of having a successful riser replacement project is coordination with the property manager and all the residents of the building. The first step to a riser replacement project is actually to go to all of the work areas in everybody's homes months prior to actually performing any work and do pre-inspections of all their apartments and identify objects that need to be moved. Work with the residents to educate them on really what the process is going to be months before we even get started with any work.
My name is Al Fuentes and I am the project manager for Horizon House. Evco Mechanical, they are very helpful in terms of getting a schedule ready. I'll sit down with one of the Evco Mechanical guys. We'll go through all the pictures. They provide us with a booklet of all the pictures of all the apartments and what has to be moved in order for the demo to start. That is very helpful because everything is outlined to the resident, and then my job is to contact the resident and make sure that all that furniture gets moved, whether it's cabinetry, glass, mirrors, whatever has to be moved.
The goal of this process is to have everybody educated enough for when we actually do start working, they know exactly what to expect. They can have their personal belongings moved out of the way and allow us to do our job and meet the schedules that we've circulated to the property managers and building residents. One of the most important questions that boards often ask us is, how long do these projects take? And that answer really depends on how much work the board wants to have performed in any given period of time. We can complete projects in as quickly as 6 months. We could also complete projects as long as 4 years. It really depends on how much inconvenience the building wants to withstand and for budgetary restrictions as well. Each apartment will experience 3 phases of work. The first phase is the demolition phase. The second phase is the riser rebuilding stage. And the third phase is the wall reconstruction and finishes stage. Before we discuss the demolition phase, I just want to talk about something that's on everybody's mind and how we're going to deal with health and safety in the current COVID-19 environment. Evco Mechanical's worked with countless industry experts in the health industry to put together health and safety protocols that are applicable to working in high-rise buildings strictly. The health and safety of the residents in the buildings and our workers is the most critical thing to us. We perform riser replacement projects year-round. Part of riser replacement projects involves temporarily shutting off the heating and air conditioning to certain parts of the building. In order to accommodate the residents and have them feel comfortable throughout the process, we coordinate with building management to make sure that everybody has temporary heating or air conditioning units through the course of the project. Let's talk about the demolition phase.
We knew that this was going to be a very invasive project.
Some of the residents, as soon as they heard about it, they stopped me in the hallways and what do you mean you're going to open up my wall?
They were concerned about walls being ripped open, about dust and construction debris flying uncontrolled around their apartment. They're worried about air quality from this construction.
And I said, yes, don't worry, it'll be short and painless. I'm here to make it as simple as possible.
The biggest fear that tenants were expressing to me was the unavoidable fact that their homes were going to be disrupted and never put back or restored to a prior condition, and that was not the case at all.
I'm the guy that comes into your unit and makes sure that the project runs perfectly, and hopefully we leave the apartment better than it was before.
Evco brought in great people, very conscientious people, very resident-minded people, and they understand those anxieties and they worked right through them.
During the demolition phase, we built a containment tent to work in to keep the apartments dust-free.
We've done many towers, and to date, no one's complained about dust migrating from our containment area outside to their furnishings and belongings.
The dust factor in the apartments is very minimal. First, they cover everything with plastic in the room just in case. They build a tent from floor to ceiling, which is very helpful because none of the dust leaves that tent area. They use coveralls and masks. The guy looks like an astronaut when he goes in there, but that's the guy that's going to get dusty.
A lot of time and effort goes into building these containment areas so that there's no scratching of ceilings or walls or any of the other belongings in the apartments.
So with the compression poles, you can see these are some of the things we do to be minimally invasive to any of the surfaces within inside the apartment.
All of the dust that's actually generated inside the containment tent is under negative pressure and vented out a window through a HEPA vacuum. The next step is to remove the existing dual temperature risers in the same containment zone, and after that, to leave the apartment at the end of the day as if nobody was even there.
Their guys are very neat. They cover everything. They work quickly, but very efficiently. And that's a big plus to have when you're doing a project of this size.
Phase 2 of the project is to install new dual temperature riser piping. These are brand new pipes that should last the building at least another 50 years. This process typically takes 2 to 3 days per apartment and includes insulating the new piping and properly fire stopping all of the floor penetration so that we can get inspections with the local building departments. We have extensive expertise in working with all the major management companies and building departments in northern New Jersey to help make these projects go as smoothly as possible. Then phase 3 begins. This is the wall closure phase, where we come in and we frame, we sheetrock, we spackle, and paint all the walls. This process typically takes 3 days.
Even our most outspoken residents were quite complimentary, and they shared that positivity with their neighbors.
Because a lot of the residents talk amongst themselves in the lobby, in the elevators. So a lot of them see me in the hallway and they say, oh, you know, I heard good things about this project. I hear that it's not as bad as we thought, that the guys are wonderful working in the apartment. So it's very good to hear that feedback back from the residents.
And then from the board's perspective, it's been a tremendous cost savings on their budget. They've been able to reduce their utility consumption during the heights of the heating and the cooling season because we have a more efficient system.
We work very closely with the project engineer and property manager to make sure that all the systems that we're installing are in compliance with the plans and specs.
I would say that I'm not sure any other contractor is as well equipped and prepared to pull off a job as significant in scope as Evco.
The impact was minimal when we were in the apartments, and when we were gone, people said that the apartments looked better than when we walked in.
That's why I'm so happy that we're using Evco Mechanical.